Central Hotel?
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, this is Prime Central Hotel. Andre speaking. How may I assist you?
Thanks for confirming. I would like to make a reservation at your hotel.
Okay, ma'am. Let me just ask you for the following details. May I know your name and contact number?
I am Rosan B. Estares, and you can contact me at 0931 76998.
Okay, ma'am. How about the time and date of your reservation?
We would like to book for April 20, 2024 at 7 a.m.
Copy, ma'am. May I know how many guests are coming on this date and what's the estimated time of your arrival?
A total of 40 guests, including me. And I guess we'll arrive there at 7 in the morning.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Now, I want to know your seating preferences, please.
I would like to request a
Do you and your co-guests have any dietary restrictions, ma'am?
um we don't like to have any dietary restrictions.
That's good to hear, ma'am. What would you like to be served from our menu?
Can you please serve us your best seller?
Absolutely, ma'am. We would love to offer that. About the reservation policies, we only allow guests to cancel their bookings if the reservation is within 3 days of the reservation date. And we are also strict about the number of guests listed in the reservation.
Okay, I'll take note of that. Thank you for informing me.
Okay, ma'am, you're all set. Let me just check if the booking for your date and time is available so that we can proceed.
Okay, just let me know if not, and we'll adjust it.
Okay, ma'am, I'll repeat the details of your reservation. So the guest's name is Rosan Estares and your contact number is 0932-147-6598. You will arrive at the hotel on April 20, 2024 at 7 a.m. with a total of 40 guests and the menu will feature our best seller. Is that correct?
That's good to hear. Thank you. Yes, that's absolutely correct.
Okay, ma'am, I have already confirmed your reservation. Thank you for calling and we are looking forward to seeing you.
Thank you for your service.